Welcome to Igbo History TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. Today we are going to talk about King Jaja of Opobo. Mba na-asọ zuru mba, renamed Jubo Juboha, 1821 to 1891, was the first king Amanyanabo of Opobo. He was the founder of Opobo City State in present-day Rivers State of Nigeria, born to Igbo parents in Umudroha Igbo in present-day Imo State of Nigeria. His actual birth date, as well as his birth parents, is unknown. Jaja earned his way out of servanthood apprenticeship after serving his master for some years. At the death of his master, he took charge of the trades and went on to head the Ana People House Merchant, faction of Bonny Island. Under him, Ana People absorbed other trade houses until a dispute with the Manila People House, led by Okojumbo, compelled Jaja to break away to form the Opobo City State, miles east of Bonny in 1869. Opobo came to be a prominent trading post in the region's palm oil trade. Jaja barred entry to European and African middlemen, effectively monopolizing trade, and by 1870 was selling 8,000 tons of palm oil directly to the British.
Opobo also shipped palm oil directly to Liverpool. Despite his trade rivalry with the Europeans, Jaja sent his children to schools in Glasgow and they enlisted whites to staff the secular school he built in Opobo. He barred any missionaries from entering Opobo. At the 1884 Berlin Conference, the Europeans designated Opobo as British territory. When Jaja refused to cease taxing the British traders, Henry Hamilton Johnson, a British vice consul, invited Jaja for negotiations in 1887. Jaja was arrested on arrival aboard a British vessel. He was tried in Accra in the Gold Coast, now Ghana, then exiled first to London and later to St. Vincent and Barbados in the British West Indies. His presence in the West Indies was alleged to be the cause of civil unrest, as the people of Barbados of African descent were upset at the poor treatment of a king from their homeland. In 1891, Jaja was granted permission to return to Opobo, but died en route, believed to have been poisoned. Following his exile and death, the power of the Opobo City State rapidly declined. In 1903, the King Jaja of Opobo Memorial was erected in his honor in Opobo Town Center. Thank you for listening. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. Please drop your comments on the comment section and tell us your mind.